Everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to hide apps on your iPhone with the latest iOS 18 update. With the iOS 18, it's now easier than ever to hide and lock apps on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, pick any app you want to hide. Just like choose the Google Maps app, long press on the app, select require passcode or Face ID or Touch ID option. Once you tap on that, a menu will pop up, select hide and choose to require Face ID, passcode or Touch ID option. Enter your phone's passcode, then click the hide app option. Now your app is hidden, it's no longer visible on the home screen. But don't worry, it's not gone. Head to the library, app library option, then scroll the last page and you will find a special folder with the hidden apps. To see the apps, you will need to verify with the Face ID or the Touch ID passcode. Then you can see the hidden apps, and that's it. You've successfully hidden an apps on iOS 18. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.